Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Masterclass.
Today we're taking a break from the smoker to bring you something a little different but equally delicious. A creamy asparagus soup that rounds out any barbecue meal and is perfect for the holidays. Let's get cooking. Take each stalk and bend it near the woody end until it snaps and discard the ends. Cut the asparagus into 1-inch pieces. Set aside 12 of the tips for our garnish at the end. Next, dice some leeks, the white and pale green parts only. Also dice some shallots and garlic. Heat the butter in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Once it's melted and bubbling, add your diced shallots and leeks. Let those cook for about 5 minutes until they've softened. You want them translucent, not browned. Now add your minced garlic and cook it for just 1 more minute. Don't let the garlic burn. Next, add in all those asparagus pieces except for the tips we set aside. Give everything a good stir. You want to pick up the leeks and shallots and garlic from the bottom of the Dutch oven and distribute them throughout the asparagus pieces. Cook until the asparagus are tender, stirring often, about 5 minutes. Pour in the low-sodium chicken broth, crank the heat up to high, and bring it to a boil. Then reduce it to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While the soup is simmering, grab a small pan and add a little butter over medium heat. Toss in those reserved asparagus tips and sauté them for 2 to 3 minutes until they're tender but still have that beautiful bright green color. When the soup is done simmering, turn off the heat. Use an immersion blender to blend the soup until it's silky smooth. If you don't have an immersion blender, carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender in small batches. Cover the blender with a kitchen towel and blend until smooth, then pour it back in the pot. Next, stir in the crème fraîche. This is what gives the soup that incredible creamy consistency and rich flavor. If you can't find crème fraîche, sour cream or even heavy cream works well. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Ladle the soup into bowls, then carefully arrange the sautéed asparagus tips on top. Sprinkle with fresh chopped chives. To really make this special, add a small drizzle of truffle oil. A little goes a long way, but it makes a difference. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality, creamy asparagus soup that's easy to make. See the description for the full recipe. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe for more Kamado Masterclass recipes. And watch my Kamado 101 playlist right now.